Well, hello, this is Spencer Horn, and I am coming to Bloomington, Illinois on September 25th to meet with you at the PMI Central Illinois chapter. Now, you may think that coming to you with a bandana and out in the desert may be not the appropriate setting for your speaker. Yet I've been working with PMI chapters since 2010 and have been invited to speak at LIMC and LIM for the last 5 years. And so I know a little bit about some of the challenges that you face as a project manager. And for me, one of the ways that I get creative and refreshed is to get out into nature. It's the 4th of July. That's why I'm wearing a patriotic bandana. And I love to just get out and run and hike and explore. It renews and refreshes me. So that's one of the reasons why I'm coming here to do something a little bit different than maybe you're used to. And I'm going to be talking about 2 topics. The first topic is all about how you can take your career as a project manager to the next level. It's called the ownership factor, and it's really helping you to identify 5 things that will catapult your career and your life to achieve the goals that you want. And we're going to be talking about 2 things that really prevent you from doing that. I had the opportunity to speak with Jim Snyder, who was one of the original founders of PMI over 50 years ago. And he said, most project managers don't struggle with the technical aspects of project management, the scheduling, the risk management, the analysis. Where they struggle is in more of the leadership, the communication, the persuasion, the presence, the ability to influence without authority. And so that's why this first topic is so important. The second topic that I will be focusing on is how to coach in an agile environment and using some of the principles of agile to help you coach and influence people. And that's really important if you don't have all the authority and position power. As a project manager, you have the necessity of getting buy-in from your audience. So we will be actually practicing some of these techniques, and when you leave these 2 topics, you will have knowledge that you can put to immediate use in your career. I am really looking forward to meeting with you in Bloomington, Illinois on September 25th. Please register early to make sure you get a seat. Thank you.